Okay, this is just a little bit on exam housekeeping. Okay, let's have a look. One of the big things that I really push is to time yourself. Now, when you start doing practice exams, you do them under timed condition. What does it mean? It means you only spend the amount of time allocated to each question and no more. So what do I mean by that? If you had an exam that had 90 minutes and you had 60 marks, you want to find out how many minutes per mark you have to do. How many minutes per mark. And that gives you the hint of how you do it. You put 90 minutes over 60 marks and you get 1.5 minutes per mark. That's how you work out your minutes per mark. Then for each question, if it's a 3-mark question, you go 3 times 1.5, I can only spend 4.5 minutes on that question. Now I suggest you look at the clock, take in a watch that has a hand on it, and you time yourself. When you get to 4.5 minutes, if you haven't finished, go to the next question. The reason I say that is because if you follow my method of answering the questions, you can get 2/3 of your marks just by writing stuff out. So there's no use spending an extra 2 minutes on trying to figure it out when you're not going to get any more marks. Whereas if you go to the next question and just write out the first part of it, you might get an extra 2 marks. So let's continuing on from there, you time yourself. The next one is you do the easy questions first. I think everyone knows to do that. And then you go down to the hard questions. And do attempt the hard questions, but you do it with my little method. So easy questions first, hard questions last. The other thing you must do, even before you do anything else, is you write on the formula sheet all the formulas that aren't on there that you may need. Because Murphy's Law is you'll get to the question, you go, oh my gosh, I knew that, now I cannot recall, because you're under stress, you're under pressure. Write on the formula sheet all the formulas you don't get. So, timing yourself, easy questions first, write on the formula sheet. And the big one is you must show all your working out. Now what does that mean? That's where my secret weapon comes in, which we'll have a look at. It's Narelle's secret weapon. You do all your questions to this, and even the questions you don't know, if you follow my secret weapon, the answer or the way you get the solution normally pops out at you, and it does work. So showing all your working out using Narelle's secret weapon. So let's have a look at what my secret weapon is. So that's your exam housekeeping. We might do the secret weapon on another video, and then I'll upload them all tonight for you.